How do you convert a string to lowercase in Python?
We can convert any string in Python using a lower function if you want to convert it to a lowercase, and if you want to convert it to an uppercase wording, we can use upper function.
What does a split function do?
Generally, a split function is used to split a string into number of pieces. For suppose if we have multiple words in we have a sentence. Let's say, what are you doing? And we can use the split function in order to split the entire string into multiple words based on a delimiter, whether it is a space, or if we don't specify any delimiter, it is considered as space.
Why do you want to join IT instead of choosing your core job?
When I joined EC because it is a good branch where we can solve problems, and during the course of my BTech electronics as an electronics and communication engineer, I've been introduced with some of the subjects like Java, and Python. So while learning those subjects and while programming problems, while solving some problems, I realized that I was very good at solving problems based on these languages. Like I am unable to I am able to solve problems that are typical and complicated problems. I've been able to solve those problems. So I thought, why can't I go to an IT industry rather than my core job? I thought any branch is used is the reason, because any branch the outcome of the any branch student is to solve world problems, or the big problems that are faced by the society. But there is no such thing that you studied ECE, so you have to join in ECE background jobs. So I thought, maybe I am good at IT. Maybe I will be suitable for IT. So that is why I chose why I can't choose IT. So I grabbed that opportunity and facing this interview with you, sir.
Do you have any knowledge in HTML?
Yeah, I have a little basics about no basic a little basics about HTML, but they are as not part as HTML is not part of a curriculum. So I have learned on my own a few basics about HTML.
Do you know SQL?
Yes, I know SQL. I know the basics of SQL, and I can write queries, as well as it is also not as part of the curriculum in ECE background, in ECE branch in our college.
Can you write a query for me?
Yes, I can write a query.
Given an employee table containing following attributes: EMB ID, name, salary, date of birth, DOB, get all the employee details having salary greater than 40,000.
We can use a select keyword and select asterisk from table name, and we can use a where clause where a salary greater than 40,000 is our condition, and that's it. We can get all the employees having salary greater than 40,000.
Why do we use constraints in a table?
Generally, constraints are used to restrict specific data to a column. For suppose if we have a gender column, we want only generally we consider two types of genders, male or female, so that based on that data we only consider, let's say we have a character as a data type for that column. We use either char m or character f. So either both these cases should be considered in order to take while taking the input. Either it may be male or female, so either it may be m or f. Otherwise, other characters like more than one character, suppose a male is given as input, then the database will throw an error, because it is not as that is the constraint that we applied. Only one character is enough to say whether it is a male or female.
Can you explain about the keywords break, continue, and pass in Python?
Pass is a keyword used when while we are defining a function or while we're defining a block of code. For suppose if we are defining a function, solve is a function, def solve, and we don't know what to write inside that function, not right now, but we in future we may want to write some of the statements inside that function. So in order to do that, we can use a pass keyword inside that function, so that the system won't throw any error because the function is empty. So pass keyword is nothing but whenever the line is executed, it will simply pass the command to the next line of the next line of instruction. So the system doesn't throw any error. If there is no pass keyword inside that function and the function is empty, generally it will throw an error. That will throw an indentation error because there is no content inside the function which doesn't follow indentation, so it will throw an indentation error. That is why we use a pass keyword. Whereas continue and break are generally used inside for loop or while loops. So whenever a break keyword is executed, the next iteration will the further iterations inside that for loop will be stopped at that time, and it will skip the for loop and go to the next stage, next line of next statement. If we use a continue, for suppose if there is a for loop from 1 to 10 and we made a condition, if I is equals to 5, we return a continue inside that if block. So whenever the case satisfies, whenever the I is 5, it will simply continue to the next iteration. It doesn't execute any statements inside that for loop whenever the continue statement is occurred. It simply continues to the next value, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the only case which is I is equals to 5 is actually continue will be executed. So the next the statements inside that for loop at that iteration will be skipped.
What pickling and unpickling means?
I don't know. I never heard of unpickling and pickling words.
How to get ASCII number of a character in Python?
In Python, we can use odd function, ORD function to get a ASCII number of a character. We just need to pass a character to that odd function, which will return the ASCII number of that given character.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, sir. Is this the final round, or are there any further rounds to this interview process, sir?
Once we send feedback to the HR will connect with you.
That's all for TCS Ninja interview part 2. If you want to know HR questions, I made a special video on HR interview questions and tips to crack those HR questions, and you can catch that video in the description or as well as in the card section. And if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you share with your friends who are having interview in the upcoming days, and do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.